Welcome back to Milesweb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. How to manage pages in WordPress. Log in to WordPress. On the left sidebar, go to Pages and click on Add New. Enter the title for the new page. If you want to customize your page, then click on Add Block option. From this section, you can customize the text, media, design, widgets, and embeds. Here, we are simply adding a description in this section. Now, click on Publish. It will ask for the confirmation. Below that, you get two options as Visibility and Publish. In that, the Visibility option defines the visibility of the page. By making it public, everyone can see your newly created page. Private option restricts the visibility from other users, and it will only be visible to the website admins and editors. A password protected option secures your page with the password. The page is accessible only for those who are having a password. Publish option allows you to publish the page immediately, or you can schedule your post by setting a date and time. Here, we are setting the visibility option as public and publish option as immediately. Click on Publish. You will get a success message. If you want to view the page, then click on View Page button. Now, go back to the All Pages section. From here, you can edit, quick edit, delete, or view your page. That's how you can manage pages in WordPress. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.